Welcome back. Today we are diving into the TOEFL reading section, specifically focusing on how to navigate a social media post. This task requires you to quickly identify key logistical details and rules, so let's sharpen those scanning skills together to ensure you catch every important piece of information. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for more expert strategies. Let's keep working together to reach your target score. Maya Collins. This post is shared by Maya Collins, which suggests a personal or community-focused perspective. Knowing that Maya Collins is the one communicating helps us understand that the tone will be informative yet accessible for a local audience. Our community sports center is opening registration for the Spring Volleyball League this week. The author begins by announcing that the center is opening registration for the Spring Volleyball League. This immediately establishes the main topic, signaling that the rest of the text will likely provide instructions on how to participate. Players aged 16 and older can join beginner or intermediate groups based on experience. The sign-up desk will be open Monday to Wednesday from 9 o'clock to 17 o'clock in the main gym lobby. This sentence provides the logistical details for the sign-up desk, specifically noting it is open Monday to Wednesday. Highlighting the location in the main gym lobby helps the reader know exactly where to go to register in person. Arrive at least 15 minutes early to complete the health form and verify your contact details. Bring a photo ID and indoor sports shoes for the short skills check with coaches. Participants are told to bring a photo ID and indoor sports shoes. These specific requirements are necessary for the skills check, which helps coaches place players in the right groups. Use the City Sports app to review the weekly match schedule before selecting a team. The mention of the City Sports app introduces a digital tool for players. Using this app to review the weekly match schedule is presented as a prerequisite step before a player can effectively choose which team to join. An orientation meeting will take place Thursday at 18:30 in the training room. The author notes an optional orientation meeting scheduled for Thursday. By specifying the training room as the location, the author provides a clear venue for those interested in extra information. Reserve your spot through the league portal and show the confirmation at check-in. To attend the meeting, one must reserve your spot using the league portal. This highlights the transition from in-person sign-ups to using online systems for league management. Organizers encourage players to bring a water bottle since sessions last about 2 hours. What is the main purpose of the post? This question asks for the main purpose of the post. We are looking for the primary reason Maya Collins shared this information, which usually involves the overarching goal of the notice. Now, keeping this in mind, let's look at our options. Let's take a closer look at option A. To announce the opening of a new fitness clothing store. While the text mentions gear like shoes, it does not mention a clothing store. This choice focuses on a new fitness business that isn't in the text, so we can eliminate it. Now, let's examine option B. To promote a professional championship broadcast. The post is about participating in a league, not watching a championship broadcast. The word promote might seem relevant, but the subject matter is wrong, so we should eliminate this. Let's evaluate option C together. To explain how to join a local seasonal sports league. Finally, let's break down option D. To describe the history of a famous sports club. The post focuses on future events and logistics, not the history of the club. Because describe and famous don't fit the instructional tone of the post, we can safely eliminate this. Where should participants go to sign up in person? The question asks for the specific location where people should sign up in person. We need to scan the text for a physical location associated with the registration desk. Now, keeping this in mind, let's look at our options. Let's take a closer look at option A. In the main exercise hall entrance area. This option is correct because the text explicitly places the sign-up desk in the main gym lobby. The phrase entrance area in the option is a perfect synonym for lobby, making this a strong match. Now, let's examine option B. Inside a nearby university dormitory. The text does not mention a university dormitory. This is a distractor that brings in an irrelevant location, so we can eliminate option B. Here's option C. Let's break it down. At a large outdoor park field. Let's evaluate option D together. At a private medical clinic reception. While a health form is mentioned, the sign-up does not take place at a medical clinic. This option confuses the requirement with the location, so we should eliminate it. Here, the correct option is option A, which shows that the registration desk is situated in the gym's lobby, referred to here as the entrance area. What is one important step before choosing a team? Let's take a closer look at option A. Purchase expensive equipment from sponsors. There is no mention of having to purchase anything or any sponsors in the post. This is completely outside the scope of the text, so eliminate it. Now, let's examine option B. Watch a training video at home. While there is an orientation meeting, the text does not say to watch a training video at home. This option invents a step not found in the passage. Let's evaluate option C together. Check the weekly schedule through a digital tool. This matches the text perfectly. The author instructs players to use the City Sports app, a digital tool, to review the weekly match schedule before they pick a team. This is a clear requirement. Finally, let's break down option D. Call a local restaurant for meal plans. The text mentions a water bottle, but nothing about a local restaurant or meal plans. This is a distractor that is not supported by the passage. The correct answer to this question is option C, since the text explicitly links checking the schedule via the app to the process of team selection.